I absolutely love fresh Washington grown fruit, but when you combine that with some delicious Mexican desserts, órale! Here in the Spokane Valley, La Nueva Michoacana has got the right idea. Owners Monica and Marco are hand-making special sweet treats for customers of all ages.
What makes an ice cream shop from Mexico different than the States?
We made all the ice cream with fresh fruits.
Okay.
We use apples, strawberries, fresh fruits, and local fruits from here. And also we mix fruits with tajin and chamoy and lime, and that was make us different,
Sometimes I ask, hey, you want today something sweet or something spicy? We have
Right.
all,
The special dish of the day is bionico, a colorful Washington fresh fruit bowl with a special cream.
When you take the flavor, you can transport to Mexico.
I'm dying to try this. This thing is
right.
melting, so let's try it together. It's so sweet and cold and refreshing.
Yeah.
I mean, come on. That's so good.
All right, let's try my hand at making a bionico.
All right, let's make it. Oh, they're gonna like this. I'm gonna go with some spikes. Ah, man, look at that. This is a secret recipe right here.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we cannot. I think I put too much fruit in mine.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
For
Like-
the customer, no one complains for more.
Right, exactly. I'm gonna hurt his margins with that much fruit. I think I even put too much cream. That's a Tomas
Exactly.
Deluxe. So
Yeah.
when you come here, ask for the Tomas Deluxe, and you'll get one of these guys. Well, look what we have here, ladies.
Oh wow, this is really good. The fruit, the cream, the nuts, the coconut, everything that's put together, it's a really good combination.
And as for the fresh fruit,
There is a difference from other apples to these apples, because when I moved here, I'm like, these are good apples.
Come get a little taste of Mexico right here, La Nueva Michoacana. It's awesome, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Coming up, I'm making apple fritters at Francisco's Bakery.
And here we go. This is the finished product.
Look decadent.
The delicious apple fritters from Francisco's Bakery.
I love it.
And we're in the kitchen at Second Harvest trying Chef Laurent's simple apple tart.